Hello investors, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about the top 5 apps you can use to trade stocks both here in Nigeria and in the US with ease. Now these apps have been for some time and they are making waves in the stock market, especially here in Nigeria. So guys, from real-time data to expert managed portfolios, these are the top 5 apps I would recommend for you to use if you want to start trading stock both in Nigeria and in US. So number 1 is Bamboo. Bamboo is quite popular in Nigeria and they offer stock markets for both people in Nigeria and in the US. So if you want to trade Apple, you want to trade Google, you want to trade other stocks from other companies, globally, then I think Bamboo is a go-to place. They offer real-time market data and they also have professionals that manage stock and portfolios on the platform. So they have been in Nigeria for over, let's say, maybe 9 years and they are doing wonderful. So if you are a starter when it comes to stock management, I would advise that you try out Bamboo. Second one is Chaka. Chaka offers over 5,000 stocks on the platform, both here in Nigeria and those that are from US and other countries of the world. The good part is, beyond stocks, they also trade ETF. And one other thing about them is the fact that they don't have sign-up fees and they are no hidden charges. So they have always been around. I got to know about them in year 2021, and since then I've been using them to trade some stock. So I think they are doing fine, and I would advise that anyone that is also starting, if you are not using Bamboo, then you should use Chaka, because Chaka is actually doing great. So the next one is Trove. The good part about Trove is that they give fractional investment opportunities. Also, beyond stocks, you can also trade ETFs there, bonds and all. And this is not just about Nigeria, it's a global platform. So you can trade ETFs from US, you can trade bonds from US, you can trade stocks from US and from other countries. So if you think you want more features on your whole stock market platform, then you can try Trove. The next one is Risevest. The good thing about Risevest is that beyond stock exchange and stock market, they also offer real-time trading on real estate and fixed assets. So if you are the type that is really flexible, or your own is to invest irrespective of whether it's stock market, stock exchange, or whatever it is, you just want to invest and make your money as fast as possible, then you can try Risevest. Like I said, Risevest also has investment options for fixed assets and fixed income. So the possibilities with Risevest is actually limitless, and I would advise that you check it out even while you are downloading Bamboo, Chaka and Trove. You should try out Risevest to see if there are options there, especially if you are flexible. The last but not the least is MERITRADE by Meristem. The good part about them is that they have experts that give recommendations, and you can make your investments based on recommendations. So it's not just about buying stock or investing in fixed assets, bonds, ETFs and all. On MERITRADE by Meristem, you can actually go through advice and recommendations for investing. Such, you would be investing on something you've learned about, you have been guided, you are banking on the recommendations, and you are good to go. So these are the top 5, like I said. But one thing you need to note is that this is not a financial advice. You should go to Play Store, read reviews before downloading these apps. The same thing with iOS users. Make sure you read reviews, check out everything you need to check before investing on any of these platforms. Do your research before investing on any stock, product, or fixed asset or fixed income, or before even using any of the platforms. I've always told people, always focus on financial security. Make sure you think straight, you analyze, you do your research before investing on anything, even if they are mentioned on this platform. So if this is the first time watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe. I'd like to see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.